How to add multi-screen in VN Video Editor. So first, you need to open the VN application, and after that, start a new project and add some videos here. You need to scroll here, and I'll show you by adding 2 or 3 videos. First, this one, then the second one, and this third one. Now let's go to the next step. Now you can see that our videos have been added. First, you need to select your frame. I'll set it to 9:16, but you can choose according to your preference. Now, as you can see, this video is zoomed in. We need to zoom it out. Take the video to the player, and we need to zoom it out, so just pinch it a bit to make it smaller. Grab it from here and here, and make it a bit smaller, then move it up. Okay, now look, you can see it's a bit smaller now. So, what do you need to do next? Now, you need to go to this video as well, track it here, and you can also bring it to the start. You can use the same method for this one too, okay? After that, take this last video, track it, and bring it to the start as well, and you can use it too. I'll bring it to the start, and now we'll move it down here. Now, see, it's done. The multi-screen effect has been applied. I'll adjust it a little because the gap in the middle should be even with the videos above and below. So, this is how you can add multi-screen using the VN Video Editor. I hope you liked today's video. If you enjoyed the video, please like it, subscribe to our channel, and don't forget to press the bell icon. I hope you liked today's video.